stretch of green lawn. The red brick of a dormitory building graces the backdrop in the intersecting white pavements and the dauntingly towering white steps up to the commons ice this pastry of a setting. On the fertile expanse, a periwinkle picnic blanket is laid, adorned with a basket, 2 teacups, and a teapot, delicate saucers with a rose pattern, ornate in the way that decoration is, seen alongside ivory and green pastries, 2 metal spoons, a glass bowl of raspberries, a hardcover copy of the novel Farewell, My Queen, Aurelia's synthetic floral patterned mask, and a laptop buried in the blanket. This picnic set is wholly picturesque and wholly artificial.
Aurelia! Oh, Aurelia, your tea.
All good, Ember. I just staying.
How's the book? Is Marie guillotined yet?
Not yet. It's just those last chaotic and terrifying days in power at Versailles before the fall.
Well, my queen, what a spread.
Isn't it wonderful?
You know, when you said a midday picnic from 2 to 2:30.
Would you like some tea? Oh, I see you brought coffee. I thought we agreed we were...
Right. I was running late on the way to Westgate this morning for class, so I grabbed this just to tide me over. I was hungry, and maybe to wake me up.
We talked about tea in the afternoon.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I know we planned
to have lunch together, relaxing for once.
It's
hardly a time to eat lunch at this point, either.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I had to run to the hub quickly.
I can talk this up.
I love a cup of tea.
Are you sure? It's cold.
Of course. It's warm outside, after all.
A little breezy.
The perfect tepid drink for a spring day. It's lovely. I love Earl Grey.
I know you do. We used to get Earl Grey bubble tea at Lilith's at home. Remember?
Yes. After the coffee shop closed down. I remember you always hated the cappuccinos anyway.
So much time has passed. The tea's all cold.
No, it's good.
It's awful.
Well, what else do we have here?
I got, I went downtown to get pastries this morning, opera cake, and the market for the raspberries. I was running late to get them between comp lit at 10 and choir at noon, so they're sort of smushed.
Nonsense. They'll taste fluffy as clouds. Here. Oh, the market. It's Thursday, right? I was meaning to get
creamer. I know, for your coffee.
Thank you. Oh, actually, I remembered. I'm so sorry. Speaking of coffee, I'm getting coffee with someone at 2:30, so I'm sorry that I have to leave all this food you got put together with so much care. I'm so sorry, Aurelia. I know you were looking forward to this picnic today.
We were looking forward to this picnic today.
Yes, we.
It's just I got the pastries and I boiled tea and I was really hoping you would enjoy it.
I know.
And you didn't even, I mean, you got coffee this morning.
I know.
And now you're going to a coffee shop with someone.
No, not a coffee shop, just Starbucks. It's an interview.
And you never stop running around with iced coffee.
And what about you? I'm always running around with iced coffee, but Aurelia, you're up till 4 a.m. trying new Bang energy drinks in the Commons. Drop the tea.
Ember, I'm just trying to make a relaxing lunch.
I never asked for pastries or raspberries or to sit in Westgate lawn for tea.
This is for both of us.
It's not even for you. You hate pastries. They're too sweet. You love microwave ramen. There's no dilute decaffeinated tea running through your veins. And I'm so fucking grateful for all of this, truly. The tea, the cake, the thought, but Aurelia, darling, this doesn't even feel real. I see this tea and it's calm in decaf. And I see how you boiled it on the 4th floor in your dorm and ran it downstairs. And I love this blanket and the grass and the breeze so much. But we could also be in your room mixing different instant noodle packets together. And you'd make it to your next class without any stress.
I'll just pack this up quick. It's just...
But we don't have to. We can take a moment.
Oh my gosh.
Good, isn't it? It's caramel.
They look like pastries. Fuck, I spilled the tea.
Oh, forget about it. Let's go get bubble tea this afternoon. Oh, wait, my interview.
Don't worry. We'll go tomorrow. I always love tea with you.